We are going to be able to remove the gaps, the silence and pauses from your audio so that it doesn't distort the free flow of your message in the video or the podcast. So to do this, we are going to use Audacity. So if you are new to Audacity, Audacity is a free audio editing software. It is open source and the link is in the description of this video. You can go ahead and install it. Okay, right. So once we are here, this is the interface. We can either decide to record our audio here and do the editing, or if you already have the audio file in your device, you can simply use the combination key Ctrl+O to import the file, or simply go to the menu and click on file and click on open and locate the audio file that you want to close the gaps, and this will import that file into Audacity. So once it's in Audacity, we are going to be able to remove all the silences from that audio, but I'm going to record the audio just using Audacity right away here, and we are going to demonstrate this. Okay, right, so let's go. Welcome. Today we are going to be able to remove all the gaps and silence from your audio. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so in this demonstration, you can see that there's a lot of gaps and empty space in this audio. So if we are going to leave it this way in a video or podcast, this is possibly going to distort the free flow of the message, and it's not going to be able to connect well with our audience. Okay, if you are also going to manually cut out the empty spaces from your audio, that's going to cost you a lot of time, because you might not be able to do so if your audio is very long, and you might not also be able to identify at what time there's an empty space that you need to cut out. Okay, so because of this, we are going to apply a simple method in Audacity, and that's going to take out all the empty spaces from your audio, and then it's going to connect it well for you. So to do that, this is the sample audio we're going to be working with. First of all, we are going to select the audio, so you can simply use the combination key Ctrl+A to select the entire audio. Okay, if you don't also want to do that, you can just simply look at the left panel here. We have select, so when you click on that one, it's also going to do the same thing. So the next thing to do is to come all the way up to the top menu here. We're going to click on effects, and then we're going to go all the way down. So, and we are going to point to special, and we're going to select Truncate Silence. So click on it, and now here, this is the slider threshold, right? So this area is very important. So the default values is what you're seeing, but normally -30 works perfect for me, so I'm just going to put -30. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the duration and the rest the same. Okay, but sometimes -20 works across for most people, but if it doesn't work, just experiment with the values. But I think from -20 to -30 works very good within this range. Okay, right, so when you are okay with it, just simply click on apply, and then you can see that it has cut out the empty spaces throughout the length of your audio. Okay, so we can simply try to play the audio and listen to it once again. Welcome. Today we are going to be able to remove all the gaps and silence from your audio. So without further ado, let's get started. Wow, so you see that all those empty spaces that disconnected the flow of our message is being removed, and now it is well connected and it lays out the information for us to understand. Right, so that is how you do it. It's very simple, so go ahead and try it for yourself, and hope to see you next time again. Please remember to subscribe, like and share this video, and come back to Protect Tips next time for more content like this.